Next, we move on to specification number 4, which asks us to describe the human body's barriers to the entry of pathogens, limited to skin, hairs in the nose, mucus, and stomach acid. Now, in this part, we will focus on how these barriers help prevent pathogens from entering the body. The body has a defense system that uses different barriers to prevent pathogens from entering. These barriers act as the first line of defense and help stop infections before they begin. These defenses can be divided into two main types. Mechanical or physical barriers work by blocking pathogens from passing into the body. Examples of these include the skin, which forms a protective outer covering, hair in the nose that traps dust and microorganisms, mucus that catches pathogens, and sebum on the skin that helps prevent the growth of harmful microbes. The second type is chemical barriers. These involve substances that kill pathogens or trap them before they are able to cause disease. Examples include enzymes present in tears that destroy bacteria and stomach acid, which kills many pathogens that enter the body through food or water. It is important to note that other body defenses, such as phagocytes, which are non-specific, and antibodies, which are specific, are not barriers. They only come into action after a pathogen has already entered the body. Mechanical, or physical, barriers help protect the body by physically stopping pathogens from entering. The skin acts as a tough and protective layer that covers the entire body. It blocks pathogens from getting inside, and if the skin is cut, it quickly forms a scab to prevent microorganisms from entering. Hairs in the nose play an important role by trapping dust, dirt, and larger particles, which helps stop pathogens from entering the respiratory system. Mucus also acts as a trapping barrier. The sticky mucus present in the nose and airways traps pathogens, and tiny hair-like structures called cilia then move this mucus out of the airways, helping to remove the trapped microorganisms from the body. And chemical barriers protect the body by using substances that kill pathogens or stop them from growing. The stomach produces hydrochloric acid, which kills many pathogens that are swallowed with food or mucus before they can cause harm. Enzymes present in tears help break down and destroy microbes that enter the eyes, providing protection to this sensitive area. Sebum is an oily substance released by the skin that helps prevent the growth of pathogens on the skin's surface, reducing the chances of infection. So, in this table, if we look at the different barriers used by the body, the skin acts as a mechanical or physical barrier. It forms a tough protective covering over the entire body, preventing pathogens from entering, and if the skin is cut, it quickly forms a scab to block microorganisms. If we look at the hairs in the nose, they also function as mechanical barriers by trapping dust, dirt, and larger particles, which helps prevent pathogens from entering the respiratory system. If we look at mucus, it is another mechanical barrier found in the nose and airways. This sticky substance traps pathogens, and cilia then move the mucus out of the airways, removing the trapped microorganisms. If we look at stomach acid, it acts as a chemical barrier. The hydrochloric acid in the stomach kills many pathogens that are swallowed with food or mucus before they can cause harm. Finally, if we look at enzymes in tears, they are chemical barriers that break down and destroy microbes entering the eyes, helping to protect this sensitive area.